Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change a door bellows clamp on your washer. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll begin by opening up the washer door. Now if the clamp is still on your washer, you'll need to remove that first. The easiest way to do that is to take a flat blade screwdriver and go down into about the 6 o'clock position, and you'll see a spring with a little loop on either end of it. So using that flat blade screwdriver, we're just going to go into that loop, stretch that spring out, and we can peel the old band clamp off and discard it. Now when installing the new clamp, you may wish to just moisten the V-groove in that bellows, either with a little bit of soapy water or just water itself. And then we're going to position that clamp so that the spring is in the 6 o'clock position. We want to make sure that that wire is sitting firmly down into that V-groove. We'll take a pair of needle nose pliers and we're going to grasp that loop on the end of the wire. And then stretch that spring enough that we can pull that wire down into the rest of the bellows. And then just verify that the bellows stayed intact with the front panel and still flush. Make sure the spring is tucked firmly into that groove. We can close the door up. And our repair is complete.